Hello everyone.
Hola.
Terry and Scott from Destination Open Road. So we are on quite the adventure this year. We are traveling to places that we have never been, exploring lots of different campgrounds, national parks, and we have got a fantastic way to explore these areas.
To get around.
We've had the perfect opportunity. We've been working with Heybikes for the last month, and they sent us their Mars fat tire electric bike, and we can't wait to get into this thing and start exploring on it.
What I do want to say is this thing comes well packaged. It might look a little rough. It's because it sat in the back of the pickup truck overnight in this box and it rained like a son of a gun. So let's open it up and see what we got. Right on the box, they do say keep this box for 30 days in case you have any issues. So you can ship it right back to them in the same box. Open this thing up and right off I can see it's well insulated. Let's get to it. Oh, it looks so pretty. I'll put it together real quick because it is the folding bike. Again, like I was saying, this thing is very well packed and a tight little system. Here's how simple it is. Make sure it's tight together, push it over, locked. Kickstand down. There we go. What I do like, it's already assembled. It's already got the lights on it. Already got, that's quick and easy. In the box, here comes with a few tools and the manual, which is very important. And here are the pedals, which I believe are collapsible, but we'll get to that. Let's see what's in this box. Oh, this must be the charger. So the Mars Heybike comes with a 48-volt battery, a 500-watt motor in the back, and a 7-speed Shimano gear system, which growing up as a kid I always liked Shimano. Definitely a user-friendly manual here. So it tells you how to put it together. Do not ride until you read this. That's a good lesson. First thing what you want to do is obviously go through and make sure that what the bike was supposed to come with, it does have. Which basically is the charger, the battery's already sitting there, your pedals, your keys to it, and some tools to put it all together. Not many tools, but it comes with it. Now it's time to lock the steering system in. You're going to line up your steering wheel with. So you want to get that into position with your tire. Kick it back. I'll grab my Allen wrench provided. And I'll kind of get it close, tight, so that I can line up my handlebars with my wheel. Pull it back down. Okay. Pretty good. Tighten that puppy up. And it's important to have this nice and tight. All right, so now our handlebars are lined up. Go ahead and lock this back in. One thing I've learned about putting this part on bicycles together, you lock your tires in, you want to pull. See, has a little bit of give there, so it tells me that I'm a little loose still. So I'll pull this back down. A little extra torque. There we go. Good to go. Oh gosh, this is just a beautiful bike. I'm so excited. Nice size seat. It's got built-in springs on it. What it has is, this is the minimum depth. So you can't go any shallower, which I mean, you don't want to have it above this mark is what they tell you. Right there is fine and dandy, but since I'm a short person, this thing's going to go down right about there. I have this sitting at the correct angle, which is downwards. It says close, so you just push it close. There you go. Seat all set. To get the battery out, release, push it up, use your key. Turn it all the way forward. You can hear it unlock. and your battery slides right out. So the battery is a 48 volt, 500 watt, 12.5 amp hour battery. Now this bike is listed to cruise at 20 miles an hour. If you ever ridden an electric bike, that's moving out, or any bike that's moving out. To reinstall the battery, you have a guide right here. Just make sure it goes, slides right in there, goes down fully, and it locks in. So I'm going to go ahead and just get this plastic or paper covering here off. They got it protected in every way. Grab our pedals. They do have them listed, the right side and the left side. Grab your wrench, which is a 13 and a 15 millimeter. Remember, when you're doing the left-handed side, you go counterclockwise. And the pedals fold in, and this is how easy it is. Pull that in, collapses right up. Okay, before you ride the bike, it comes with a little bit of power in the battery. It comes with like, 60% of power. I think it's ready to rock and roll. After taking a quick spin, I realized that my shocks were in lock position, so you can lock it or unlock it. Right now you can see no movement. Unlock them. Now I have shocks. And the way you want to start out is actually hand on the brake, foot on the pedal, and then you can either, I think it's in pedal assist now, let's see. Oh, there it goes. Okay, I've taken it for a couple spins. We'll go talk about all the options on it. Okay, with the display system and the power controller, basically you push the button down, hold it for a few seconds, it comes up. This is going to give you the regular reading that I usually use. Basically it says 0 miles an hour right now, and it's at power controller 0, which means there is no pedal assist, there is no electric motor running on it right now. So to change it, you just go up to 1, you can go to 2 and 3. To bring it back down on your controller, push the lower button. And then what I really like about it is this thing has a light system on it. Really nice and bright at the nighttime. And you have a light in the rear. And the nice thing about this too is when you hit the brakes, look at that, you're gonna be seen. Okay, this is the derailleur controller, really nice and easy. Basically to go up in speed for the pedals, you just push it and it'll automatically change to the next one, and then you just go back like that. Really pretty simple. Okay, and the throttles right here, really piece of cake to push. Just slow it down and it really automatically comes back up. One thing I do like is these handle grips are very comfortable on my hand. This is the first time I ever had handle grips that had this extra part on it. It's so comfortable for the palm of my hand. Riding motorcycles, I used to get cramped, but this is comfortable. Okay, and here's the horn. Pretty easy to get to. It's loud enough to let people know you're on your way. Okay, from out of the box to being able to go for a ride and install in the basket, roughly 30 minutes. And it's incredible to ride. So much fun. Now let me show you what I do to put the bike away. First of all, I get rid of the battery. It's 10 pounds of unneeded weight. And with space at a premium, a folding bike is the only way to go. So, first we'll clap the pedals in. Pick up my stand. And get the latch off. Let's see, I think I'd like it coming around this way for me. Let it rest down right on its mount. Go ahead and hit the release. This down. Pretty compact. But what I do like to do is take a bungee and put it around this to keep these two together. That way it ain't going to come open on me. Grab it by its handle. Voila! And I even take one of these. And it's in there. Don't forget to get your battery. I always store it inside. Bike's all ready, and we're in a new location. Time to explore. Oh, and I know I'm at the end of the trail because I ain't going any further up that mountain climbing thing. Not this old boy. I decided to go for it, but it ain't gonna make it up this hill. Not with me on it. I'll use the assist and push it up this way. Okay, baby, let's go for it. Yeah! There we go. Woo! Let's get this puppy out on the open road. This thing here, I'm in mode number 2. That's going to be somewhat of an incline. Okay. Let's see, there's 3. Let's get some gears. Woo. I think the brakes got a little wet playing around in the river. But they sure work nice. And what I also do before I stop, I put this in 0, just so there's no chance I hit the pedal and it wants to power up. Now she's a bit dirty, which really means it's broken now. If you want an electric bike, Heybike Mars. I'm giving it thumbs up. I've had no problems with it at all. I'm loving it. All right, peace out.